Hello dear students, I welcome to our YouTube channel Literature Insights, an easy platform to learn English language and literature in English. In earlier videos we have seen MCQs on drama part first. In this video we are going to discuss 20 very important MCQs on drama part second. So these MCQs is based on the history of British drama. So these MCQs will be very useful for the learners of English language and literature in preparation of their examinations. So let's study 20 very important multiple choice questions on drama. Question number 1. William Shakespeare wrote sonnets. Here I have given four options: A 152, B 153, C 154, D 155. The students have to identify the correct option out of these four options. The correct answer of this question is C 154. William Shakespeare wrote 154 sonnets in English. Question number 2. Which is the world famous soliloquy in Hamlet by William Shakespeare? Here again four options: A. All the world's stage. B. To be or not to be is the question. C. It is a tale of told by an idiot full of sound and fury signifying nothing. D. What's in a name? So now here the student has to identify the correct answer for this question. The correct answer is B. To be or not to be the question. This is the world famous soliloquy in Hamlet by William Shakespeare. Question number 3. Who wrote the play Dr. Faustus? Again four options are here: A. William Shakespeare, B. Christopher Marlowe, C. John Webster, D. Oliver Goldsmith. The correct answer of this question is B. Christopher Marlowe. Christopher Marlowe wrote the play Dr. Faustus. Question number 4. Ben Jonson is well known for his, again four options are here: A. Tragedies, B. Comedies, C. Farce, D. Opera. The correct answer is B. Comedies. Ben Jonson is well known for his comedies. Next question, question number 5. The 18th century period is known as blank in literature. Four options are here: A. Elizabethan, B. Classical, C. Neoclassical, D. Renaissance. The correct answer of this question is C. Neoclassical. The 18th century period is known as Neoclassical period in literature. Question number 6. Prometheus Unbound is the most famous drama written by, again four options are here: A. Oliver Goldsmith, B. John Keats, C. Mary Shelley, D. P.B. Shelley. The correct answer is D. P.B. Shelley. Prometheus Unbound is the most famous drama written by P.B. Shelley in romantic period in literature. Question number 7. Who is an exponent of modern theatre and father of realism? Again four options are here: A. Oscar Wilde, B. G.B. Shaw, C. Henrik Ibsen, D. J.M. Sinch. The correct answer of this question is C. Henrik Ibsen. Henrik Ibsen is an exponent of modern theatre and father of realism. Question number 8. G.B. Shaw was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in, again four options are here: A. 1923, B. 1924, C. 1925, D. 1926. The correct answer of this question is C. 1925. G.B. Shaw was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1925. Question number 9. How many plays are written by Harold Pinter? Four options are here: A. 27, B. 28, C. 29, D. 20. The correct answer is C. 29. 29 plays are written by Harold Pinter in English literature. These dramas are known as modern drama. Question number 10. The ancient Greek drama started in. So in earlier time, in ancient period, Greek drama has been started in. So now here again four options: A. Athens, B. England, C. Rome, D. Spain. The student has to identify the correct location or place for the beginning of ancient Greek drama. The correct answer is A. Athens. The ancient Greek drama started in Athens. Question number 11. According to Plato, what are the two basic categories of the manner and style of presentation? Again, four options are here. A. Mimesis, B. Diegesis, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. The correct answer is C. Both A and B. According to Plato, there are two basic categories of mimesis and diegesis of the manner and style of presentation. Question number 12. The origin of drama is traced in the public performances on some blank. Again, four options are here. A. Cultural festival, B. Religious festival, C. Social festival, D. All of the above. The correct answer is B. Religious festival. The origin of drama is traced in the public performances on some religious festival. Question number 13. What are the three major types of drama in the ancient Greek? Again, four options are here. A. Tragedy, B. Comedy, C. Satire, D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Tragedy, comedy and satire are the three major types of drama in the ancient Greek. Question number 14. Which literary period is considered as a golden period for drama? Again, four options are here. A. Elizabethan, B. Restoration, C. Victorian, D. Miltonic. The correct answer is A. Elizabethan. Elizabethan literary period is considered as a golden period for drama. Question number 15. Abraham and Isaac is the first recorded blank plays. Four options are here. A. Mystery, B. Miracle, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. The correct answer is C. Both A and B. Abraham and Isaac is the first recorded mystery and miracle plays. Question number 16. Drama in England has its origin in. Again, four options are here. A. Social, B. Political, C. Culture, D. Religion. The correct answer is D. Religion. Drama in England has its origin in religion. Question number 17. Who is the brightest star in the galaxy of English dramatists? Again, four options are here. A. William Shakespeare, B. Christopher Marlowe, C. John Webster, D. Edward Albee. The correct answer is A. William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare is the brightest star in the galaxy of English dramatists. Question number 18. Who wrote a play She Stoops to Conquer? Four options are here. A. William Shakespeare, B. Oliver Goldsmith, C. John Galsworthy, D. T.S. Eliot. The correct answer of this question is B. Oliver Goldsmith. Oliver Goldsmith wrote a play She Stoops to Conquer. Question number 19. G.B. Shaw wrote his plays on. Again, four options are here. A. Political, B. Social, C. Cultural, D. None of these. The correct answer of this question is B. Social. G.B. Shaw wrote his plays on social issues. Question number 20. Harold Pinter began his literary career in 1957 with, again, four options. Now here we can see the name of dramas or plays. You have to identify the correct option or correct drama. With that drama, Harold Pinter has begun his literary career in literature. Here are four options. A. The Room, B. The Birthday Party, C. Look Back in Anger, D. Under Milkwood. The correct answer is A. The Room. Harold Pinter began his literary career in 1957 with The Room. So these are the 25 very important MCQs on drama. So if you like my videos on MCQs on drama part 2nd, so if you have not subscribed yet, so please subscribe my YouTube channel Literature Insights among your friends and students of English language and literature. So don't forget to press the bell icon for getting further notifications and updates of my coming videos. Thank you for watching. See you very soon.